Hello everyone, we are on step 29 of learning HTML forms by building a registration form on freeCodeCamp.org. Step 29. Follow accessibility best practices by linking the input elements and the label elements in the second field set. Use personal account, business account, and terms and conditions as values for the respective ID attributes. Okay, so we're going to link the input elements and the label elements. So, I don't need to do that. Okay, so the first input element, we're going to give it an ID. Of personal account, like that. And then we need to add, so we're basically just going to do this for all of them. This one is going to have business, okay, oops, got the dash, business account. Then this one is going to have an ID of terms and conditions. So, and then we need to have a for attribute in the label elements that's just going to link them. So we're going to have personal account. This one we're going to have business account. This one we're going to have terms and conditions. And that's it. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found that helpful, and I will see you next time.